If you want to upload files to OneDrive and also sync your important folders on Windows 11, this video will walk you through the whole process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to upload files from your browser, how to turn on syncing on your PC, and how to make sure your desktop, documents, and pictures stay backed up automatically. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to OneDrive Web. Once the page loads, sign in using your Microsoft account. This is the account that controls your OneDrive storage, so make sure you use the correct one if you have more than one account. After you sign in, you'll see your OneDrive dashboard. At the top of the page, look for the Upload button. Click it, and you'll usually see two options, Files and Folder. If you only want to send over a few documents, photos, or videos, choose Files. If you want to upload an entire folder at once, choose Folder. This is especially helpful when you have a lot of content organized already and don't want to upload each item separately. Now, select the files or folder you want to upload from your computer. Once you've highlighted everything you need, click Open. OneDrive will begin the upload process right away. Depending on the size of the files and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a few minutes. Just wait for the upload to finish, and once it's done, your files will be stored safely in the cloud and available from any device where you sign in. Now let's move on to syncing files on Windows 11, because this is where OneDrive becomes even more useful. Syncing means your selected folders can automatically stay updated between your computer and OneDrive. So if you change something on one device, it can be reflected in the cloud and on your other devices. To get started on Windows 11, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type OneDrive. Open the OneDrive app from the search results. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Microsoft account again. This connects the desktop app to your OneDrive storage and prepares the sync features. Once OneDrive is running, look near the clock on the bottom right of your screen. You should see the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray. Right-click that cloud icon, then click Settings. In the Settings window, open the Sync and Backup section. This is where Microsoft lets you manage which folders get backed up and synced automatically. From here, turn on Sync or Backup for the folders you want to protect. Usually, the main choices are Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. When you enable these, OneDrive can automatically keep those folders synced, which is incredibly useful if you want a backup in case your PC crashes, files get deleted, or you switch to a new computer later. Take a moment to review your choices carefully before confirming. If you only want certain folders backed up, you can adjust those options to match your needs. Once everything is enabled, your files will start syncing in the background. You may see status icons next to files and folders, showing whether they're online only, available on this device, or currently syncing. That's the basic process for both uploading files to OneDrive and syncing your folders on Windows 11. If you were only trying to save a few files online, the web upload method is quick and easy. If you want automatic protection and ongoing updates, the sync settings on your PC are the better choice. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.